Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a superfood called aloe vera. We are going to make aloe vera juice, and along with me is Aditya. Aditya, are you going to help me?
Yes.
Okay, shall we make this juice? We know aloe vera is good for skin and applying on the skin if you get hurt and healing the exterior wound. But aloe vera is a superfood in Ayurveda, and today we are going to make this juice and see 5 amazing benefits of aloe vera. Shall we see? So let's first see how to make this juice. Okay, it's very easy. So shall we cut this juice, Adi? Will you help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can make this one aloe vera juices for 2 days. Okay, so let's cut it into this side. So this side we can keep it for tomorrow. Okay, first you have to cut the skin because you don't get much out of this. And you cut the side of this as it will have lot of thorn, right? So you have to cut this. You have to basically take the gel out of this, and the gel is what we have to eat this. So you get this aloe vera for a couple of dollars, or $1 or $2 in most of the stores in US here. You can also get in India. I've seen in India it's being sold in the roadside shop. Okay, so the number one benefit of aloe vera it's a great immunity booster. Now during COVID, everybody needs strong immunity. Aloe vera is a strong immunity booster. It's an antibacterial, antiviral. That's why they apply it on the wound or outside skin. But when you consume it inside, it'll give you a powerful immunity booster. So during COVID, it will really help to boost your immunity. So number one benefit, aloe vera is great for immunity booster. So once you take out the skin, the next step is take out the additional. So you just insert here, okay, and you have to take out the skin. Okay, I didn't exactly take out the skin. Now Adi is going to help me. What we are going to do is we have to scoop out this gel. So we'll take this. You can take a spoon. Adi, will you hold this bowl to me? Now we have to scoop this, and we are going to take this into this bowl. Okay, so let's start with this. You see, this is a gel. We are going to make juice out of this, right? We'll take this side now. Okay, so this is how the gel will look like. It's a very transparent gel, right? You can see here it's sticky, but you can always wash your hands. So we have seen the number one benefit. Let's see the number 2 benefit of aloe vera.
Yeah.
The number 2 benefit of aloe vera, it is anti-heat. So it's a heat healing property. That's why in Ayurveda it's a cure for pitta. Pitta means it's heat inside the body. So it's great for your digestion, and it is great also for curing constipation. Okay, we are going to not throw away the skin. You can apply this in tomorrow before the bath. You can apply this on your skin, and your skin will glow. Okay, now let's pour this gel inside our blender. We bring yogurt.
Yeah, I'll bring the.
Okay, then we are going to put some salt. This is Himalayan pink salt, half a teaspoon, right? This is so small. Okay, and then we are going to, this is optional, it will give you a nice taste. So aloe vera gel will be tasteless, so It will not have any taste. It's just a gel. So we are going to put some yogurt. So we are going to make more or less 3 cups for 3 people with this gel. Next, we are going to put some half a lemon juice. Okay. Shall I squeeze it, Adi?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, that's good, right?
Yeah.
So let's do it this way so that we can get more juice. Okay, not to squeeze too much. Okay, finally we are going to pour water. Enough?
Yep. That's enough.
Okay, now let's head to the blender and let's make the juice. Okay, shall we blend it now?
Yeah.
So the third benefit of aloe vera juice is it's great for diabetes. It reduces your fasting blood sugar, also your blood sugar, overall blood sugar. So it's a great for curing diabetes. You won't see any speckle of the gel. It will be frothy and amazing. Okay, so this is the third serving. This is for Adi's mom. So before we drink, okay, let's take this. Cheers. The fourth benefit of aloe vera is very important. You can drink. This is the most important benefit. Aloe vera is very good for women during their periods. It will reduce excessive bleeding. It also is good for fertility and reproductive health, both for men and women. So for women exclusively, aloe vera is a great superfood. How is it, Adi? Adi has drank within one gulp. Okay, so the fifth benefit and the final benefit of aloe vera, as you all know, aloe vera is a great skin medicine. You can apply it on skin before taking the bath and you can get great glow. It'll reduce your acne for women, and also you can apply for men. It's a great coolant. So these are the 5 benefits. You can easily make this wonderful juice at home. Hope you like it. Bye.
Bye.